Planning for your future doesn't have to be confusing. Now, when you have the help of Hooper Law Office, Attorney Justin Randall joins us for a great conversation this morning. Hi, Justin.
Hi, guys.
Justin, let's talk a bit about what an estate plan is.
So an estate plan is really, it can involve a lot of different documents, but really no matter what document you're using, the estate plan is making sure that your assets are aligned properly so that they follow that plan, and also picking where you want those assets to go and planning for those beneficiaries, making sure that you're setting them up for the best possible chance of success as well.
Why is estate planning necessary? You alluded to a bit of it, but what are some of the biggest reasons why?
So I think a lot of people underestimate how necessary it is. You hear a lot of, well, it worked out for my parents without having anything. And, I'm glad to hear nothing went wrong. But the problem is when you don't have a plan in place, you can't plan for contingencies. There's no way to have a backup plan if something is going on in a beneficiary's life where they need to be protected. So planning in advance, you can take care of the things you know about now, but also make sure that they have some sort of protection going forward in the event that something you couldn't have foreseen happens.
Justin, when should someone get an estate plan? Is it like when they have kids, when they purchase a home? What do you use as a guideline?
Well, I would say first and foremost, probably if they don't have one already and they're thinking about it, that's a perfect time. But really, anybody over the age of 18 should have certain key documents, things like powers of attorney, living wills, HIPAA authorizations. But beyond that, it's definitely a good time to have a plan in place as you're starting a family as well.
What steps should a family take when they're ready to begin that estate planning process?
Yeah, so I would say the first step is looking for an attorney who only practices in the area of estate planning. As with anything in law, you want to go to the person who focuses on that area. But, setting up an initial meeting with somebody, sort of thinking about where you'd want things to go and who the important people in your life are in terms of both who's going to step in for you, but also where do you want things to go after you pass away.